My all-time favorite code and interview question that has been asked by tons of big tech companies. So let's solve it. We have an n by n grid, which represents a map of ones and zeros. Return the number of islands. An island is just a group of land that is surrounded by water or the outer bounds of this grid. So let's walk through this solution. Right, so we need a count variable for the number of islands. We're going to loop through the entire grid. So it's going to be a nested for loop, and we're going to check if grid at ij is equal to 1, so it's land. And if it is, we're going to carry out a recursive call passing ij and grid. And if this is equal to true, then we're going to increment the number of islands. Let's look at the DFS call. So firstly, within any recursive calls, we set base cases. So this is just saying, look, if this is out of bounds, so too far left, too far up, too far right, too far down, or it doesn't equal land, then we return false. Now what we're doing here is we're updating to water, because if we found a piece of land, we don't want to be creating a recursive loop. And this code right here is pretty impressive. We're just recursively going below, above, right, and left. And then finally we return true. Full solution walkthrough linked below.